Hello students, today I'll be teaching chapter 2 of your computer book, that is file management, organization of data. So let us see what we will learn in this chapter. Basically in this chapter we will learn what is file manager, about moving and copying a file or folder, the difference between moving and copying a file or folder, how to copy a file and folder, and how to move a file or folder. So let us see. So first is a file manager. So what do you mean by a file manager? A file manager is a software program that helps the user to manage all the files on their computer. For example, all file managers allow the user to view, edit, copy and delete the files on their computer storage devices. For example, suppose you have got different kind of documents in your home related to electricity bill, related to the prescription of doctors or your results. So what do? It should be organized in a proper way. For that you prepare different files and name it, and you keep the particular type of documents or papers in that particular file. So similarly, so that our data remains organized in our computer, what we do, we store the different kinds of data in a particular file or folder. And who manages all these kinds of things? A file manager. Okay, so let us see what is a file. A file is a collection of data or information that has a name. So right now I said you, for example, in your home you prepare a file in which you keep only the electricity bills. In another file you keep only the prescription of doctors, or you another file you prepare, in that you keep different kinds of another paper, miscellaneous paper, and in another file your report cards. So you name it so that it's easy for you. Next time whenever you go to search, you can take it out and see it easily what you want. So similarly in a computer we store different data in a file and we name it so that it is easy for us to find it whenever we want. So a file is a collection of data or information that has a name called a file name. We can name it according to our own wish. Almost all information stored in a computer must be in a file. Now what is a folder? When different kind of files are then stored in any place, that particular place space is called as a folder or a directory. Now, how to move or copy a file? What do you mean by it? First of all, file means, what does moving a file means? In general, moving a file means the process of taking one or more files from one location to another. As we see, we generally do it. We do the right click and we get the option move. From that we select it. And what does copying a file means? Copying a file means duplicating a file at some other location besides its original location. Similarly, we do the right click and after that we get copy option also, and we can copy a file. Okay. So there is a difference between moving a file and copying a file. So what are those differences? Let us see. The main difference between moving and copying a file is that copying a file means duplicate of a file in another location without affecting the original content, whereas moving transfers the original file to the other location. In copying a file, whenever you copy a file, what happens? The file remains at its previous position also, and another copy of it is created wherever you want to create its copy. Okay, another space or location. And in moving the file, what happens? The file is transferred from its previous place to the next place wherever you want to locate it. So this is the main difference between moving and copying a file. How do I create a copy of file? So there are many ways to copy a file in Windows. What is the simplest way? By using the copy command, which can be accessed by right clicking on a file and selecting the command from the context menu, and you can then left click somewhere else in the window so that file is no longer selected, and then right click and select paste. So what you do, this is the option you get. First you right click on any file, whichever file you want to copy, then you get this copy option. You select that particular file by clicking on this copy, and then you go to the place wherever you want to paste it, and then you again right click, and then what option you get? Paste, and you choose this option and the file is copied. So another shortcut method is that we can first from the keyboard select Ctrl+C for copy, and then we can click Ctrl+V for paste option from the keyboard directly. Now how to move a file? So first and most easy option is the drag and drop option. So highlight the file you want to move, then click the right mouse button, and while continuing to hold down the right mouse button, drag and drop the files where you want to drag and drop it or move it. So when you release the mouse button, you will be given a similar menu to the example shown in the picture. So here it is. First you drag and drop, and then whichever place you want to drop it, there will be option move here. When you click on that option, the file is moved to that particular place. And another option is move to folder or send to folder. So what we do to use the move to folder, so nowadays you see it not move to folder, depending on your particular Windows version, it can be send to option. So to use the move to folder, or I said send to command, select the file by clicking on the file name. So how do we select? We click on that particular file and the file is selected. Then click the edit menu near the top left of the window and click the move to folder or send to folder. Okay, basically we find nowadays send to folder. In the new window, browse the folder you would like to move the file, then click the move button to the move file in that to that folder. Suppose over here you will understand better. What we will do, we will click that particular file, and then from the mouse button, okay, what we will see, the option over here, send to. Okay, so after clicking on send to, there will be list of different place or different location where we want to send to that particular file or move that particular file, and then we can choose from that and the file will be directly moved to that new location. So these were some of the topics which I tried to explain you in brief. The other topics related to this chapter, that is how to search a file and about file formats, I'll be explaining you in the next video. Hope this was helpful to you. Thank you for watching it.